Casio, the electronic manufacturing brand known worldwide for its products like calculators, watches, and musical instruments, has reported a network breach over the weekend that caused system failures impacting some of their services. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. As per the announcement on their website, Casio confirmed on October 5th that their network had been accessed without authorization by an external actor. An internal investigation found that this unauthorized access led to system disruptions. Some of Casio's services were offline as a result. Casio hasn't provided specifics on which exact services were affected, but clearly, this breach has caused operational problems for the multi-billion-dollar company. So how did this happen? Well, the investigation is still ongoing, so not all technical details have been shared publicly. But usually in such cases, weaknesses are exploited in areas like workforce remote access protocols, insecure RDP ports, outdated software with known vulnerabilities, and weak passwords. Casio said measures were promptly implemented to restrict further external access once the breach was detected. They have also reported it to relevant data authorities. No personal data theft has been confirmed yet, but forensics are still being done to assess damages. Interestingly, just about a year back, Casio had disclosed another data breach, compromising customer info from their ClassPad education platform. This shows security posture needs tightening to avoid repeat attacks. This is why we have partnered with Stonefly to offer daily security review subscribers a special promo on Stonefly backup and disaster recovery solutions. Get a 98 terabytes Veeam ready, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery. Appliance for $9,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Don't forget to subscribe and check back for more cybersecurity news and analysis. And as always, thanks for watching.